Oh no. Hiccup.
Hello?
Chris, it's an emergency.
What's wrong?
You gotta come over immediately.
Oh, no. What's wrong? What? Are you okay? Or what?
I have the hiccups.
You have the hiccups? This is so
I know, but you're the only one who can treat this. You gotta come over.
Yeah, but...
Oh, gosh.
Okay, come over as soon as you can. I'm on my way. I'm coming, Luke!
Look at that here, sir. I have a list of remedies that we can use to get these away. These demon hiccups, then. You can do whatever it takes. I just want these things gone.
I will.
I don't feel so good about this.
It's fine. This method never fails. Your hiccups will be gone in no time.
Okay.
Okay, ready? No. Open up your mouth! Okay, we need a little bit more. We need a little bit more. Open it, come on. You need to swallow it! You need to swallow it! Alright. This is method 2. This is the most simplest one of all. You just gotta hold your breath.
Hold my breath.
Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Okay. Are you serious? That's the only longest you can hold your breath.
I have tiny lungs, okay?
Try again.
Okay.
That was pathetic.
Well, I can't do anything better.
I'm sorry. Okay, let me help you.
No, what are you doing?
I think it's working. Good job, Luke. You're doing it.
Yes.
I think it's working. No more hiccups. You okay? You okay? No! Method 3. Farther. You gotta put it in farther. Okay, farther. That's good now. You know what? That's nasty. What did you eat? Puke?
No.
It's okay, just jump. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Ah! 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 Why'd you tell me to do that? Well, how was I supposed to know you were gonna get hurt?
Alright, the hot water method. It's only worked a few times, but I'm pretty sure that it will work for you. Alright, so... I don't know, Chris. Maybe we should go to the hospital.
You're fine. Come on. Pull you around all the time. All right, I blindfolded you because this is the best method ever. It works all the time.
What's that smell?
I'm blindfolded you now.
What's that
Open up your eyes.
Ah! You burned my house on fire!
Yeah, but it worked. That means you have hiccups now. Tell me you have hiccups.
You know what? I think it worked. Yeah, my hiccups are gone. You're the best hiccup doctor ever. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. My work here is done. Oh, and you have a week to pay, or else.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. I blindfolded you because this is the best All right. I blindfolded you because this is the best